Welcome back. In the next demonstration, you will see how to dress a typical center punch. The point of a center punch has an included angle of 90 degrees and is hollow ground, which means that the tip is kept at 45 degrees to the face of the grinding wheel, with the point facing upward when it is ground. Proceed to dress the tip on the finer of the two wheels. Always move the work across the face as you slowly rotate the tip. Notice how the center punch is held and supported. Cool the tip frequently to prevent softening of the metal. Continue until the tip is well dressed, such as this one. We have now described some practical uses of a bench grinder. Let's now review some basic but important rules. Firstly, you should never exert such pressure against a wheel that will cause the spindle speed to drop. Never jab or bump the work against a wheel. Always apply the work gently. Never grind such materials as wood, plastic or glass on a grindstone. Avoid grinding such metals as copper, brass or aluminium, as these will clog wheels rapidly. It is recommended that softer materials be filed or cut with a hacksaw. Keep oil and grease away from grinding wheels. Finally, to preserve a flat face, always work across the wheel's face. Avoid producing grooves in the wheel and never grind on the edge of the wheel. That concludes part 1 of this series. In the next session, you will learn about the important aspects of grindstone maintenance.